I always wondered why certain individuals were at the level they're at. I couldn't figure out why I wasn't at the level that I wanted to be at. Don't get me wrong, I have an undergrad, I have an MBA, I have a beautiful wife who gave me 2 beautiful daughters, but something was missing. Then at age of 35, I suffered a stroke, a deadly stroke. That's right, I almost died. I had to learn how to walk again, talk again. And then I went back to my 9-to-5 corporate job and they let me go. At that time, it hit me. I was angry. I was really angry. I was angry at myself. There was a lot more inside of me to offer the world. Greatness, really. Stroke or no stroke, I was done being mediocre throughout life. I wanted to give life everything I had. All I knew is that I wanted to make tons of money, be an amazing husband, be an amazing father, be a great human being, get in great shape. And then I came across How to Make Shit Happen by Whalens, a book that slowly started to change my life, and I'll change yours too. In this video, I want to share the 3 ideas that I gathered from this book that fundamentally changed my life and will change yours too.
Hi baby, hop in the Lamborghini. I'm me, only I'm me. Hi baby, hop in the Lamborghini.
Left for a minute, I did not sit it. Look at the cash I'm spinning. There it goes.
The first idea is to have a plan. Having a plan changes everything. According to this book, there are 4 main pillars to focus on: power, production, purpose, and passion. And now to execute on these 4 pillars, you must have a plan. Before this book, I never had a plan. I used to wake up in the morning like a zombie, get ready, go to work, and just live my life on defense. But after reading the book, I started to work on my plan. I created a plan for my life. I created a plan for my 4 cores. For my health, I blocked out 3 different times the upcoming week for my gym time. I go work out. Rain or shine, it's there on my calendar, I go to the gym. In addition to that, I do Sundays from 5 to 7 to meal prep for the week ahead. Most of us just order food on defense. We're hungry, we order pizza, unhealthy, we put on calories, we put on weight. No, meal prep done in advance will save you from that. For my marriage, I blocked out 3 times that I would spend time with my wife. For example, after putting my kid to sleep, we would watch TV together, watch a movie together, connect, or have a date night. Have a babysitter already booked, paid, ready, and all my wife to worry about is be ready and showing up. Or C, simply just going on a walk. And not to forget, writing a little note, little romantic note the night before, and that would be on my calendar, so there's no excuses to mix this. For my business, I blocked out 3 hours a day for prospecting. In addition to that, I blocked out a few hours for spirituality, whether it's making a prayer, watching a podcast, meditating, or journaling. It may sound excessive, but how concrete of a plan do you have? How concrete of a plan have you made around your goals in your life? You may have a loose idea running in your head, but do you have a plan that you plan to execute on day in and day out? What I realized from doing these actions that planning is not hard to do. It is crucial to do it. I didn't worry if the plan was not being perfect, but the goal lies in executing on the simple things. After the planning, I noticed little wins all over. I fought a lot less with my wife. My sales started to go up. I started to learn, started to pray more. I was getting more leaner, and overall my health improved. Create a plan, a concrete plan for the 4 cores of your life. The 4 areas of your life that will put your life in order. Even if the plan is not perfect, having one makes all the difference. Second idea is Sunday is for planning the week ahead. I picked Sunday to plan my week ahead. Now that you have actions that you want to take for each of their goals, you need to put them in motion. You need to set a time where you would do each of them. After reading this book, I did everything on a Sunday. As a result, every single day, 7 days a week, I have a plan. My calendar is sorted. I have specific actions set and structured in each of the 4 cores segments in my life. A black and white plan, no ambiguity, no chaos, nothing left to chance, no longer working on defense. Do I fall behind on my plans, on my actions? Of course I do. Do I procrastinate at times? Sure. But that's why that plan helps you. That's why having the 4 segments written out in advance works like a map. So for those days that you're falling behind, you're feeling lost, just go back to the map. Go back to the 4 cores, the 4 segments, the action plan that you've written out, and follow it. It'll bring you right back to speed. Power, production, purpose, and passion. These things don't happen by accident. They are designed to do by intention. Therefore, your calendar has to have every hour, day by day, hour by hour, blocked for each specific action to get you closer to your goal. Principle 3, intention and purpose is the heart of everything. You need to live your life with these things first. I have a purpose for my marriage. I have a purpose for my business. I move forward with these intentions. I want to be the best husband possible to my beautiful wife. I want to leave for my kids. My parents got divorced when I was age 5. My dad walked out on me and my mom, and I saw how hurt my mom was and how it affected her whole life after that. I made a promise to myself back then that I would never repeat the things my dad did to my mother and myself. Last week, my wife went to dinner with her friends. She came back home and she told me a funny story. She was telling me, hey babe, guess what? All the girls on the table were talking about their husbands, how their husbands either go to work, come home, watch TV, play video games. My wife laughed at them. She shared my story. She said, my husband is opposite. He takes pride being a girl dad, spending time with the girls, spending time with my wife, doing errands for them around the house. It made me feel so good when she told me this story. To me, it's leaving a legacy behind, a level of commitment that my kids, my daughters will see and hopefully adopt in their lives. Infuse in with your work, your life, your relationship, the same manner, same intention, with the same purpose, and you will see how your life will change forever for the better. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. And if this video brought you some value, please press the like button. Thank you so much for watching.